This is our 5th video in what we are calling neutral spine videos as we go through the dynamics of neutral spine from a squat to other functional movements that we would apply to normal activity. A lot of times people will say, again, maintaining neutral spine in a certain position is fine, but I've got a forward reach or I've got an overhead reach and I've got to do that a lot, and so that makes me vulnerable. Well, again, it shouldn't prevent you from good technique and neutral spine. So another way of playing with this so you feel comfortable with it is just get a broom handle and use the staff like I'm going to. We talked about neutral spine. Here's the position we need. So if I have a job that requires a lot of forward reach, I can do it like this or staggered leg. I'm in neutral spine. If I need to go overhead, again, think of the movement of the hinging of the hips, but I'm still maintaining the angle of my lumbar spine. So remember the contact between the shoulder blades and the sacrum and that gap. So in doing this, my core is engaged to do what it needs to do, not move the spine but support it. And here are the movers. And again, as I go further out, even before I grab anything, this leverage right here, if I'm not in neutral spine, puts a lot of pressure on the disc in the back. Even if I'm just going to grab a 1-pound weight. And a lot of times people will come in and they'll be, I didn't even really get the weight there. I was just reaching for it. That's all it takes. So again, this is what we need. And that is going to be this or overhead reach versus this. So that's going to look, if we use the staff here, again, this is correct. Or overhead reach versus that or that. All trunk flexion. Your room for error goes from here to here. So again, use neutral spine, feel comfortable with it, and apply that with your normal daily activities.